Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification button. Well, I see a little thing in the newspaper where Ninja Man's son, Jamar Ballantyne, was killed on Sunday, them say 8:45 a.m. Now, everybody is probably going to do a vlog on this, but the reason why I am talking about this, because I did a video with the equation of Cockburn Pen, Wani British, the Prime Minister, Orius Chang, flankers, and Rifle, and people were talking all sort of nonsense. But this goes to show that Kingston 11 area is one of the most deadliest places in Jamaica. The whole Kingston 11 should have named Gaza. That's my point. Now, Ninja Man, who used the name Ugly Man, came to Cockburn Pen when he was a young man and run with Super Cat. His son was born and raised in that neighborhood. And people still kill him. They have no respect. There is no talking about nothing. You understand? So I just wanted to point out that Kingston 11 is the new Gaza. Now, according to the police report, he was at a location by Lower Mall Road. If you know Lower Mall Road, you catch Mall Road off Walton Park Road. There used to be a Chinese supermarket at the corner. You walk and go all the way down to Lower Mall Road. So that's where Ratty, Mr. Jamar Ballantyne, was. So according to, it's an eyewitness, there is never an eyewitness in none of these things. It's kind of crazy. It's just crazy, yo. According to the report, the police so-and-so called corporate commission said Ballantyne of Lower Mall Road address was killed by an unknown assailant. On Sunday, eyewitness. Now, how can you have a eyewitness that didn't see anything? Only heard explosion. The eyewitness heard explosion. They never see anything. But it's just sad. You know, and it is just what it is. Now, his father, it was caught up in some other thing with his brother and another court case, so we don't even know what it's stemming from. But I'm not even touching on that. I just wanted to point out how dangerous Kingston 11 is, and it's a new Gaza. So when people listen to my video and hear me speak and trying to mute me like I'm some kind of crazy individual, I'm not. I speak facts. Remember, it's countryman. Like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification button, and I'll keep the fire burning. My next video that I'm doing, I'm very curious about this man, the guy who shot and killed Radigan. Peace, countryman.